Hey guys, welcome back, man. This is a 2010 Chevy Cobalt I picked up from the auction. This one is about buying car from the auction, what to expect. Uh, let's take a quick walk around. The body don't look too bad. I actually drove it from the auction myself, probably like around like 35 miles home. Um, I didn't find an issue with the engine. That's why I bought it after I listened it on the auction. Wasn't too bad. I'll just show you the body, guys. It's not too bad. All the windows work. Um, all of that good stuff. It cranks right up. You see like these brakes shedding right there. This is what the inside looked like. Yesterday I go ahead and vacuumed it up a little bit and cleaned it out a little bit. These seats is a little bit messy. I was thinking about taking them out and kind of wash them a little bit, if it's possible. That's what I would love to do. So this is how it look, guys. Not too bad. The issue I'm having with it right now, I got a transmission code. You can see the back seat is pretty stainy, real stainy. Buying car in the auction, guys, can be tricky. Also, I heard it's nice inside there. I've done some review research, and I see they said that coupling right under there goes bad. But if you notice, this car got a electric motor right there for the steering. So you just never know. You got these two wires right here. I'm not sure what these are for. I'm not sure. I'll have to check and see if it's part of the wire harness. They got some plastic and all type of stuff going on around here. I'm trying to see if there was a security system or something that was in the car, because this car is a repossession car. So you're not sure. So all of these guys is dirty. So what we're gonna do right now, before we start doing any mechanic work on the car, I'm finna run the codes and show you guys what's going on. But we're finna wash off the car, get it a little bit better so we can get it in the garage. And once I get it in the garage, I will show you guys what's going on again, and the codes what we have in the car. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So in the car, just pulling up a code real quick, show you guys what's going on. So you got shift solenoid, valve one. Control circuit, high voltage. Pretty much the same right there. Transmission control. Trying to pick up the module. And I think that this code right here is why the transmission control module code is on, because this code right here, as you can see, is permanent in there. It cannot come out until the problem is fixed. Car cannot pass emissions, all that good stuff. Also, let's go in here, the ABS system. See, we got the right front wheel speed sensor circuit, and that's in there 2x2. Current is storing the history also. So we gotta fix this problem. Also, we gotta fix the transmission problem. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit. I ain't gonna erase none of these code. P0974. I'm gonna just go ahead and try to clean up these seats. They're a mess. Try to do my best on them. I'm gonna try to take it out, try to clean up the interior a little bit so it look much presentable when I'm ready to sell it. So, and then after I do that, I'm gonna jump on the transmission issue that we got with the car. So yeah, guys, that's about what's going on, and some of the expectation when you buy these car from the auction. I go ahead and wash off the car a little bit. Looks a little bit much better. Go ahead, clean up the interior a little bit. That also look a little bit better. The back seat, I clean it up a little bit. It ain't look too bad right now. But yeah, guys, not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead, clean the dash up in a second. I'm gonna clean that little spot that messed up right there in a second too. Back to the front. About the transmission code, that's what I'm getting ready to prepare to get rid of or try to fix. As a matter of fact, go ahead and remove the fuse box out the way. The next move I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the transmission mount. I'm also gonna remove the front bolt from the transmission mount too. And I probably loosen the back one also. And that's just to get me some more room, guys, to kind of lift this transmission up so I can get the side plate off after I remove the CV axle. It's a little bit of work, but you can get the job done for sure. So that's what I'm fixing to do. I already go ahead and crack a couple bolts. You got 3 bolts right there that I cracked. Go ahead, pry something, leak out all the transmission fluid. That's it right there, getting itself together. I'm gonna take my time, get it from under there, put back them 3 bolts, and hopefully it don't leak. Yeah, guys, so that's about it. And then after that, we're gonna do the side. All right. So guys, this is what the shift solenoid sensor looked like. It had broken apart, and this piece right here. This piece right here had fell out, and as soon as I take the side off, this piece fell straight onto the ground. So it wasn't doing anything inside here, guys. So I picked this one up at O'Reilly's. I think is it the new way how they make them. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this one in. Alrighty, guys. So we're still working on the auction car. As you guys notice, the sensor was messed up on my transmission, super burnt. So I'm waiting on one. They gave me the wrong one yesterday. But for the time being, guys, as I was telling you, we got that right speed sensor code. If you look closer in here, I'm not sure, somebody had did some work in here before. But as you can see, the wire right here is all cut off and damaged. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bend this back over, because this is where it sits. We're gonna bend it over and we're gonna repair the wires and get this sensor back together, and to get rid of that light off the dash. So that's what we're working on, guys. And these are the type of thing you can expect when you buy a car from the auction. Not all the time it's gonna come sweet. Most time you got to do some work on the car when you get it. All right, but for $500 plus tax, this came out to like $889 with all the fees and stuff like that. So we're still on that $1,000 with all the parts and stuff like that, where we get racked it up to around $1,100. So we're doing good where budget is, guys. As you can see, stuff is all over the place in here, but so far looking good. We're going to go ahead and repair that sensor, and when we repair that sensor over there, by 12 o'clock, my transmission sensor part should be here today. So we're going to get that in also. All right, guys, stay tuned for the auction buy. I've washed the seat a little bit. It look a little bit better. I think I still got to clean up this area a little bit more today. Clean up right here a little bit more, but it looked way better than it was, guys. You see the back seat, it ain't that bad as it used to. The interior clean up real good. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so this is a finished product, guys. Not looking too bad at all. As you can see, guys, the interior ain't that bad like it was. I'm not the best detail guy, so you gotta see with with me, but it turns out real good. Transmission shift real good, guys. The sensor I did the job. You see the heat work and all of that good stuff. So in all, guys, we have around like $1,100 in the car, buying, fixing it. See, I got all the lights off. That light on once you release the spark brake, traction light went away. So I love the turnout, guys. Turnout pretty good. And this is a DIY project right here, what anybody can do. So if you like the video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have a lot more video coming. If you need advice and buying car on the action, you can hit me up too. I will tell you what to look for so you can get a good buy when you buy. So even if you gotta repair something, it won't be nothing too much. All right, hit me up.